So this is the Bailey Pegasus Black Amalfi. It's a twin axle 8-foot wide caravan that has a really family friendly layout. To the front we have the lounge kitchen, in the middle we have the washroom, and we have bedrooms at the back, but we'll come to those in a moment. It has an MTPLM of 1750 kilos, which means you need a slightly beefier tow car such as a SsangYong Rexton, because it's perfect for seasonal pitches, extended breaks with the family, or even that really long European tour. Now when you step inside the Amalfi, the first thing you notice is just how light it is in here thanks to that infinity window. It's worth mentioning for me, I mean we've been caravanning with our kids for years, had lots of bunk layouts from Phoenix 650, 760, 762. This Amalfi would be a great caravan that will sort of grow with you as your family grows, because should your kids grow out of the bunk beds that we'll come to in a minute, they could use these as large singles as well. 6'3" long, and they are sprung. Should you need to make this up into a large double bed, you simply pull out the slats to my left and it makes up into an enormous bed. But daytime mode, really comfy place to sit. All of these are sprung, so you know it's a great place to relax. And we have this new single drawer chest of drawers to my left. Not only can you store stuff in this single drawer, but you can also charge things as well. Wireless charging with a USB and a USB-C port, and if it's time for a cup of tea, breakfast or lunch, you have a pull-out table here, and also if you're feeding the family, you can have the freestanding occasional table to take up this space as well. So let's talk about the Amalfi's tech. Heating wise, being a twin axle model, it's fitted with the Truma Combi 6, so that's 6 kilowatts of power to heat the interior of the caravan and your hot water. Electrics, we have 6 230 volt sockets, 4 USBs, and there's also an exterior 230 volt socket that can power things in the awning. To keep all that powered up, on the roof is a 130 watt solar panel from Truma, and to make sure everyone stays entertained, there's a TV point in the front you can watch from the lounge, one in the bedroom so you can watch TV in bed, and we have a Sonos speaker that is Alexa activated. As I mentioned earlier, the caravan is split into 3 distinct sections, and the kitchen shares the front space with the lounge. Now this is a new kitchen, 25% more worktop space thanks to this peninsula unit. There's also a full-size splashback here, and to my right there is a dual fuel hob with separate grill and separate oven. Lots of storage throughout, above and below, and we have a microwave right above the oven. And more importantly, there's a family-sized tower fridge to my left which keeps all of your goodies cool. And to make sure you know you are in that black edition Amalfi, we have black accents to the taps and to the towel holders. So the Amalfi has a centre washroom. We used to have a 760 finish with centre washroom, and that worked really well if you're travelling as a family. Now to divide it off, there's a solid wooden door that can be either used to divide off the bathroom or the front of the caravan. In there is a bathroom like you'd have at home. Lots of room and lots of storage too. Now to my right, separate shower. With it being above a wheel arch, there's almost like a handy step, if you will, if you're travelling with younger children. They can sit there, you can kneel here, and it makes it incredibly easy to shower them. And if you'd like to divide off the bedroom, there's a handy sliding door. So the extra length and extra width of that twin axle 8-foot wide caravan can really be felt in the bedroom, because not only is there room for a large French bed, there's also room for bunk beds as well. These are screened off should that be necessary. We have a curtain that goes around the French bed, and also separate curtains for the bunk beds. Storage wise now, I know this all too well. We've travelled everywhere with my own kids. There's plenty of storage under this bunk bed. You can access that from an exterior locker door, and also a wardrobe behind me. And to keep the kids happy, there's also more storage at the foot of the bunk bed. So in summary, the Amalfi has an incredibly adaptable layout. You have beds to the front that can be used as singles or doubles, washroom in the middle, and you have bunk beds to the rear next to your French bed. So whatever age your children are, you can accommodate them with ease. And also with the Payload as well, you can take your essentials with you. So whether you are traveling Europe or whether you choose to site it, this could be the perfect caravan for you.